We have recently surpassed Japan and became the fourth largest economy. पर वो कहते हैं ना अभी दिल्ली बहुत दूर है. हमारा मेन कंपटीशन तो चाइना के साथ है. चाइना का 14 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी एंड वी आर स्टिल 4 ट्रिलियन. 10 ट्रिलियन का सफर है. वेयर वी हैव मिस द बस. कहाँ हम पीछे रह गए. हम एक साथ आज़ाद हुए. ठीक है, उनकी लिबरलाइजेशन 78 में हुई एंड हमारा 90s में हुआ. हम 10 साल पीछे थे. बट आप देखो चाइना आज कहाँ है और हम कहाँ हैं. If you go to China, you see the infrastructure is at a different level. We are just catching up. We have barely scratched the surface in terms of infrastructure, healthcare, and economic disparity. So, how will catch up? The distant dream of 2047 of developed nation. How we are going to achieve that? So, according to me, technology will be the biggest enabler in achieving the developed nation dream. You see, we need to leverage the technology. And हम कहते हैं प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड इकोनॉमी, changing from the service based economy. We have a huge demographic dividend. Consumption based economy है. Every company vouch for Indian markets. But we need to create in India. हमें अब you see Chinese products are penetrated into global market. But where are Indian products? एक ग्लोबल इम्प्रिंट के प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट करने हो. हम कहते हैं हम आईटी डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है, बट हैव वी क्रिएटेड कंपनीज लाइक गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, एप्पल? नो. Contrary to China, they have their own Google. We are dependent on US economy, US market. आज US बंद कर दे, WhatsApp, Insta, Facebook, Meta, all social media will get crashed. So we are a young economy, although they are involved in mindless entertainment. But we need to kind of drive this young population and realign them towards the developmental dream. We need to focus on education, primary education. सिर्फ IITs एम्स बनाने से नहीं होंगे. चाइना में 8-9 क्लास के बच्चे चिप्स बनाते हैं, चिप्स डिजाइनिंग करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं. We can't even think of. We are a degree based education. For प्यून के एग्जाम के लिए हमारे PhD ग्रेजुएट्स अप्लाई करते हैं. R&D में हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत कम है. We need to involve private players into R&D. Private players should be incentivized to do investment into R&D. अकेले गवर्नमेंट नहीं कर सकती है. It has to come from the society. It has to come from the public. It has to come from the private public partnership होनी चाहिए. US में इंडिया में DRDO है, US में DARPA है. They have done investment, but only DRDO, ISRO is not sufficient. They need to involve the private player and investment आने चाहिए R&D में, because innovation is a high risk, high reward thing, and biggest risk is taking no risk. We are faring globally 39th in the global innovation index. China and US are far ahead us, and innovation is all about taking risk. We have the capability of taking risk. We have the young population. We have that. We have done in the past. We were the center of knowledge, used to be. We need to reclaim that history. We need to somehow reach there. And this is the right time we are at the right place, the ecosystem is in place, and we need to grab this.